Okay, so for part two of this, we have to talk about types of solutions. Now, really, what you have is when you have one solution, that's called a consistent system. All right, and they can either be independent or dependent. A consistent system that is independent has exactly one solution. A consistent system that is dependent has infinitely many solutions, and a system of equations that has no solution is inconsistent. So the way you look at this, you want to think about if they're parallel, they are no solution. If you graph them and they are parallel, they are no solution. If you graph them and they are the exact same line, that's infinite solutions. And if they cross, then that is a consistent system or one solution. So an independent system has one solution. A dependent solution would be dependent system would be where they have the infinite stuff. So on this guy right here, what first thing I need to do is I'm going to add x. So I have 2y equals x plus 2, and then I'm going to divide everything by 2. So now I have y equals 1 half x plus 1. This guy and that guy are the exact same thing. If I were to graph them, if I were to graph them, if I were to graph them real quick, I'd do it on this side right here. It would look something like this. Um, the first line has a y-intercept of 1, and I go up 1 over 2, put a dot, draw a line. But then I would also, for the second one, I go up 1, or I go 0, comma 1, and then go up 1 over 2. It's the same line. So this is a dependent system. Okay, it has infinite many solutions. If you look at one like this, y equals 2x plus 2 and y equals 2x minus 1, you can see that these guys have the same slope. Okay, so if I do this, I go up to 0 comma 2, put a dot, go up 2 over 1, put another dot. There's that. Okay, this guy I go down to negative 1, and then I go up 2 over 1, put a dot. I can see that they are parallel. They are never going to ever cross. So that's an example of having no solution. Okay, that's an example of having no solution. So go ahead and try to do the got it and the lesson check, and do you understand in your guided notes. And I wanted to split this up into two different parts, just because one part is easy, one part is a little more difficult, but it's really not that big of a deal. I'll see you guys in class. May the